Time now to take a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a great Thursday. It was a chilly and cloudy one out there. This is looking down at the Wenatchee Valley from our Omi Gardens Sky-Fi Tower camera. And boy, we had a lot of this. Low-hanging clouds, a little bit of snow flurry activity this morning, but the real snow is still on the way, and we are going to see it this weekend. In fact, we could pick up maybe 2 to 4 inches by the time we get into Saturday. We will see rounds of snow, mainly Friday and then Friday night, Saturday morning before things switch over to rain. But I'll tell you what, be very careful driving over the next 2 or 3 days. Hazardous travel, especially over the mountain passes where we are expecting a ton of snow leading into Sunday. In fact, some mountain passes around our area, 2 to 4 feet of snow is possible by the time we get into Sunday. And we're talking about Stevens Pass, Snoqualmie Pass. You can see that Friday and Saturday will be the heaviest snow days with a rain-snow mix possibly on Sunday. But I'll tell you what, be prepared. And if you don't have to travel west, just don't do it over the next couple of days. It's going to be winter travel conditions. 31, our unofficial high temperature today. 38 is where we should be for this time of year. So yeah, it was a chilly one out there. 28 is where we started the day, so we didn't warm up all that much. 27 is your normal low temperature for this time of year. Record low, 2 below zero, back in that frigid year of 1985. Sunrise 7:26 and the sun set at 4:13. All right, let's get you into that Friday forecast. Temperatures a lot like today. We'll see temperatures mainly in the low 30s, 32 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 31 in Quincy, 30 for the high temperature in Wenatchee tomorrow, 31s up in Eniat and Chelan, and in the 20s from Cashmere to Leavenworth into Lake Chelan or Lake Wenatchee, which will see a high temperature tomorrow of 27. Here's our wet weather over the next 6 to 7 days. 1, 2, 3 large areas of low pressure aimed right at us here in the Pacific Northwest, and an atmospheric river will even develop as we get later into the weekend. We'll show you that in a second. Tonight, evening snow is possible. We'll see about a 40% chance of it. Cloudy skies, so I think there will be snow on the ground when you wake up tomorrow morning, and more snow falling, because Friday, that's when we will see that winter weather advisory. All of us inundated with snow. I'm thinking about 1 to 3 inches snowfall for Friday, and 80% chance we'll see that. As we mentioned, highs tomorrow at about 30 degrees. Winter weather advisory throughout the day tomorrow. On Saturday, a good chance for some morning snow. And remember, the yellow and green, heavy precipitation. We could even see some of that. It will begin to warm up on Saturday too, with highs in the upper 30s. And then on Sunday, here's that next round of storminess, cloudy skies, and 80% chance. I think it'll be a rain-snow mix on Sunday. Heaviest precipitation in western Washington. This is in the evening hours, so it's not really going to stop on Sunday. High temperatures near about 40 degrees. And then as we kick off our next work week, giant storm system off the coast. And there's that atmospheric river of moisture moving right into the Pacific Northwest. A 70% chance for all rain on Monday, mainly because we'll see high temperatures in the low 40s to kick off our next work week. And then for Tuesday, not much is going to change. Cloudy skies, another 80% chance for rain. It will be mild. We're going to jump in to the mid-40s as we get you into Tuesday. And then for Wednesday, the final day of our forecast, a little less chance for some rain. I think we'll see most of that rain in the morning, partly cloudy skies in the afternoon, but this is what we'll be dealing with to start off the day on Wednesday. A little better, as I mentioned, later in the day, and still mild, above normal for Wednesday, with highs then again in those mid-40s. Let's take a look at your 7-day now. 23 overnight tonight. Here's our snow days. Friday into Saturday. 30 our high Friday. Winter weather advisory throughout the day tomorrow. 37, your high temperature to kick off our weekend Saturday. And then the rain moves in late Sunday, 40 degrees, 43 Monday and 44 Tuesday. But look at that rain both days on Monday and Tuesday. A little bit of a reprieve as we get you into Wednesday afternoon with a high temperature then of 44 degrees.